Mac. Mashallah daw, Mac. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you. This is my only son. Jocelyn Pascual from Anglo, shout out. Mashallah daw, Mac. Mashallah. Say hi to the vlog. Sige na, Mac. Hi. My loves pag-upload mo. That's my son. Say hi. Show outfit, body. Hello, Jim Martis. Wow, chubby. Yep. They're chubby single mom. Mamaya na. Nagla-live pa ako. The woods were talking the birds I have promised to keep and go to sleep. Oh my god, it's too long. Oh, it's too long. Ah, di hakan umunya na na i-charge na. Naka ba dito? Go out. Show outfit. Hello, hunting boy. Unya na na. Pakag-charge pa. Magubat siya na. My son is a how Auntie Annette Agor. Hi. Hi to you guys. No Cash App or Brim. I don't have PayPal. So, only you can have you can message me on my WhatsApp. I have also, you can drop me on, why you have PayPal? Western Union. Hello, please. Give respect. Yes, thank you, Gracie XLR. Never mind the bad comments there. Western Union is good. Hello from Germany, Axel Barben. Shout out to you from Germany. Hello, hello guys. Hello MD Halal. Hi. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel it. What's up, Mark? Okay, I'll message you later whenever you're finished. Well, you can message me. Me on my WhatsApp or in my, I have also. Aubrey. Thank you, Aubrey. Please don't comment bad here on live. Yes, I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina, but I speak English here because most of my viewers can't understand my language. Also, P and Sony. I respect very important to give respect. Definitely you'll get respect from broadcast. Yes. I will not answer you the bad comments. Some bad comments I will delete. I will remove. Oy, kinsay. Ma, panguta. Makmak. Oy, kinsay na. Nakay barong Tagalog, te? Barong? How much to? Oh, nakaday? Ay, barong po day kaday? Hoy! Pwede di ay? Hoy! Magbra ka day? Hola! Wonderful with the hola hola. Brian understood what you cook for bay leaves. I cook for adobo. Guys, I will end my live because I will prepare for school. Thank you so much for watching. Say something Philippines to me. Hello, magandang umaga sa iyo, Obrem. That means good morning. Salamat sa panonood mo. Our place is Bisaya in Philippines. Maayong buntag kanyong tanan. Salamat sa paglantaw sa ako ang live. This is we're speak in our place, but most on Philippines is Tagalog. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. I support you, channel. Thank you. Yes, I'm a single mom, single mother. I have my one son. Thank you, Obram. Thank you, Crazy Alzar. I can make shout out to this bad comment, guys. Wonder how's yourself, but thank you.